Na mena me dese kama kwado pado. Na busunya sem faso ni meso na mena me kasa ni ebu mti se twobio. Ah. Nade. Papa sisa me sebelo ye hu matantanie. Atantanie. Bring over me ni bi ye hu matantanie. Atantanie. Papa sisa me sebelo ye hu matantanie. Atantanie. Mansi ya minsi bi ye hu matantanie. Ade. Atantanie. Papa sisa me sebelo ye hu matantanie. Atantanie. Sika me ni binti ye hu matantanie.
It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah. Me say bana ma feel. I do. Oda baba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya na bramen chemba.
Yes, darling.
When you know I feel
Same here. Hey. So. I promise to buy you our sisters also. I'll balance you and then your iPhone and I'll get your system.
Baby.
Yeah, sure. Trust me.
Are you serious?
For sure.
So
So we see you for a team, right? I'll get your latest phone.
You're sweet,
You're so sweet, baby. I love you.
No, mine is speechless. Love you, I trust you, I know what you can do.
Yep. And since the other time too, like you're complaining about this week, is it frontal Bond Street? How do you call it? Bond Street, yeah.
56 Bond Street.
And how much was it? Like, how much is it?
12,000.
Just to come on top.
Yeah, baby.
Or it's not, they have no words.
Baby, you're spoiling me.
Yeah, let me spoil you. I want you to go out and shit or something. So I'll make sure like, I provide everything that you want, okay?
Okay.
Love you, darling. That's so sweet.
Madam!
Yeah.
Madam, please, the food all finished. Everything finished. Nothing for kitchen. Madam, so unless you give me money, then I could go the market inside the market. I will say madam. I will say, madam, have you checked the time before coming? Oh, madam, yes, I check out. So what is the time? It be 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Yes, madam. 10 p.m. And by this time you are going to buy food stuff. Oh, madam. Madam, I will buy tomorrow morning. Madam. Yes, madam. My beautiful madam. We go to the market tomorrow morning. Yes, madam. Tomorrow morning, right? Baby, madam, you see what I've been talking about all the time in this house?
Country.
Tomorrow morning, and you are standing here around 10 p.m.
What's that, Catherine? Now listen to me. It's normal to actually ask for money for foodstuffs. It's a good thing to do.
But this time, just okay, just say, me could have a fun cry. Oh, madam, never me. When you see that I and my husband is having fun, that time you come and stand here and be making unnecessary demand.
Catherine, listen. Accusations, you don't worry.
No, what say
No,
you are spoiling hell. I don't like what you are doing.
Catherine, relax.
Let her know that what she is doing is wrong. You can't come and stand here by this time and tell me that you need money for market.
This is not how to go about this. Like, I know how to do. Like, I'll talk to a person, like, privately. You relax. Akusha, I will see you up. You go, okay. I'm much better. I know what to do. In the morning, okay. Around 9, come knock my door and I'll give you money, okay?
But you say what time?
9.
9.
Come and knock my door. Make sure, like, I'll give you money.
Okay.
Alright.
God bless you. Hey,
Catherine. Catherine, listen to me. Now, listen to me. I've been warning you several times. This is not how
look at what she's wearing. It's not fair.
But that's her uniform. Who percent question about it?
Baby, it's too short.
Come on. You know, like, how we want our men to dress.
Madam.
Are you okay, Abusia?
I forgot something. Madam, the dog food. The dog food. Hey, madam.
Now, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do right now?
Oh, baby, like, may come bedroom.
Now, Abusia, you are not to go. Why?
Boss, the dog.
I will buy everything you want. No, you go. I will buy everything.
Baby.
See.
Baby, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. It's like you are pampering this girl too much.
It's not about how I'm pampering a girl. Listen to me. I am the man of the house, okay? And I decide. We all know where the girl is from. You understand? She's from the village. So, it should be a process. We need to take very good care of, like, you handle her very good care and trust me. And
hey, madam! Boss! Madam!
Hey.
Boss! Boss, I forget to told you. You forgot. Yes.
Gradually, we need to teach you,
Madam, the polytank, the river inside, it's not coming over. And the polytank.
Call.
Boss. Madam.
Don't utter any word. I said leave. Oh, Lord of mercy. You see a penny, yeah. Sometimes I don't blame her. You are the cause of all this. I'm putting the blame on you.
Am I the one who told her to behave this way?
No. Listen, Tio. I'm not saying you're the one who is telling her to behave this way, though. But sometimes I need to blame you in the sense that you want to she's a village girl. You understand? And then everything is gradual. It takes time for everything. To be what you need to be. So relax it. As time goes on, we are going to train her, I'm gonna fix her and put her, appropriately.
Baby. Oh, my man, not also saying. Is she your sibling?
This is what I hate. Countryman, this is what I hate. Me no customer, best of me. Don't try to, talk to me. Talk back at me. Huh? For the first place, catch him say now, let's bring it. Surely, guys, you are you may be okay. Now, listen to yourself. See that who tell me? Huh? You said that we should sew this uniform for her. You like it this way with the cape and everything. To brand it to be guests to feel her vibe.
I'm sorry. Baby, calm down, please. I'm sorry.
I'm tired.
Baby, please.
My friend. Sometimes like nah. Do I be wanting for the right woman or what?
Baby, I'm the right woman for you. I said I'm sorry.
I said my what too was you want to be sure sometimes. What is that?
I said I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Baby!
No, listen. Wouldn't say won't mean your pain, won't mean your patience. Let's send her back. Okay?
Sorry. Sorry. I love you. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Baby.
Me.
Sure. I won't give them this. Hey, safe. Everywhere they chop love. Everywhere. Every blessed day. Madam the post. Oh, my saying. They wake up me. They can't give me my money go market. Sure. Nothing for inside. Nothing with the cupboard inside. Nothing.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What is your problem? And you are talking. What is your problem?
What would I talk? Can you imagine? This house, everywhere you pass, madam and boss, they chop love. Everywhere. Love.
So, this is your first time seeing them doing that?
You said if I must say, madam, the boss, they chop love like that. will come here. I will work for years.
Allow them, make them enjoy now. That is why I always told you, say, if they enjoy, make me too with they enjoy.
Hey, wait, what did they talk? What did you say?
I said, if them they enjoy, you two, you can have an affair with me so that we can enjoy it together.
If I want to have an affair with somebody, you.
Not me.
I don't go. I don't go.
You don't like me.
You know, because I don't like
I want not to do it for them. No problem. No problem.
See, come. I told madam, say food stuff no day. She give me money to go market.
And what did she talk?
She
vex. Going market bring food stuff for all of us to eat. She vex.
She do talk plenty. Even the dog them have food serve. She know only money.
No problem. Work your work. Do what you're supposed to do now. Tomorrow. I'm going to bed, so tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I'm going to bed.
Okay.
It's okay. Same journey.
Thank you. Bye. Maybe my chocolate. This is bad. Now when you go, my God. Hey, you feel me? Chocolate. You get that? Let me do one for myself. They chop low. See, they chop low. Hey, God. I think say you go sleep.
They go bed.
So what's up for you?
I don't fall down. I don't know what's happening, but I don't fall down.
You fall down for here. Somebody will pass here. You can't fall down for here.
I don't fall down. They go. Make her they go. Make her they go. Do your work now, they go. Do your work. Go back to your position. They go.
Like seriously? Kokiego? No? What's going on here?
Like dog.
Koki, come here. Akosia.
Boss.
Are you okay? Come here, come here.
Okay, boss.
What do you think you are doing?
I was trying to. I fall for ground.
Hey, who can throw the man? You can't consider yourself. Me say what are you doing over there? So Akosia, so you're also aware.
Hey, boss, me. I don't know anything, no. Boss, I dey work for a year. Wait, Kokiego come take water.
I can't take.
You don't say where they work. When somebody did the grand way they watch your body, they don't say they work.
Boss,
Kokiego.
they watch me.
Do you know it's offense to do that?
Please, I was washing her.
You are doing what?
I was washing her.
You are seeing me. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Don't you know doing that? It's an offense. Huh?
Baby, what is it?
Can you imagine? Alright. I'm coming. Like how many times now? Have you been doing it all today or what?
Like what is going on here? Can you explain what is going on?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I want to go.
Sorry for what?
You do something.
I'm sorry, I want to go.
Hey, sorry, I'm talking. How dare you?
I want to go. I want to go.
Shut up.
I want to go.
Don't be silly, my guy. Don't be silly. This is decent. Can you imagine? I was like, I was chatting like, a client of mine, and I was so confused. Lying down here watching
Watching Akosia like what? I don't get you. But he has right to watch Akosia. I explain it better.
What's the day?
What's what sharp?
What's why so Akosia? How dare you?
Someone can send him.
What can the former section what's the day? Huh?
Or the former channel.
What a show, sir. What a show, what a show, sir.
Please, I'm sorry, I was.
Hey, baby.
Do you know what you're doing? It's offense. What you're doing is adult. It's only adult who does that. Huh?
What? So you are the adult. You are the adult. He is not adult. And yes, I'm not a soul can. When are we adults?
If he knows so an adult, not in my matrimonial, not in my house.
How will you know if they are dating or not? Maybe they are having something together.
I don't have anything to do with
You guys you are having something together or another.
I was trying to talk to her, but the thing is, I don't know.
They have something together.
If they have something doing, not under my roof, my dear, from talking, don't talk. I want to have the house. Do you understand? If there's something doing, not in my house, not under my roof. Hey, let it be your first and last. Listen to me, girl. Come here. Let today be your first and last. You mess up, you fool again.
You're surprising me.
You understand?
Please, boss.
Say the I said what? Let today be your first and last. Don't let me see you that act again. That's how we here. Koshebu, huh? You will be sacked and fired. Leave. Leave like I leave. So, Catherine, now, I don't get this play. So I tell me, say, Diego, no.
I'm look. What me suspecting will be able. Me suspecting so now open.
Like how?
So now open. Because you can't tell me say a husband, a husband, they don't have right to date. What are you telling me?
Did you just
and you're here telling me that he is not adult. You are the adult. I also with me dating and yes, I will catch him.
Nah, did you just say that? Yeah, so you're disrespecting me or what? Just a common maid.
When I was disrespecting in front of the maid.
What am I doing?
The one who is disrespecting me. Oh, you know?
Like seriously? Are you kidding? Hey! Catherine! This common maid, me dating a very funny. Akosia, how old are you?
I'm 15 years.
15 years. Have you learned about
Baby, so what are you guys doing? Baby, what are you doing?
Then me training no. Me trying to say this the age, you know, at this time, no, she need not to involve herself in those kind of acts. And she get pregnant, I will sack her in my house.
So why this crocodile tears? It says who ain't no say free him. If you are here talking to her, you are putting something in. What about this crocodile tears? What is going on here, baby?
Country, right now, what's your problem right now? It's me straighten up. Oh, yes, me wanna.
Oh, so you wanted to snatch my husband away from me, eh? Make people from streets. Now me want better life, you know. You wanted to snatch my husband away from me.
Who is snatching somebody here?
But you're about to hold her.
One day it's not to hold her. She said, "Oh, Maid, I don't want to know." And yes, I'm trying to.
Baby, open.
Open wine.
So why all this touching? I said, what?
Now, Catherine, I'm beginning to, to suspect you that, like, if you're not a witch, then you are kind of demon. Because what you're doing is that,
so you're insulting me because of the maid, right? You're insulting me because of her, right? You see what you cause? You see what you have caused? You want my husband, right? I'll just
I don't understand what you talk. Like, you want to hey, come here. See.
Since when you start calling me hey.
You're listening, you're poking me, yes.
You're not calling me hey. Hey, Radhe. To me, one I said then. So you want my man?
I don't want time. Hey, man.
Now you want to snatch my husband. Do you know how long we have been together?
Now you want to snatch my husband away from me, right? You see what you are... Hey, me and boss, how?
Into your never chamber for my no happy. Other banana my fever. Say what the man and I'm a come at me. They say banana my fever. Hey, watch you. Say what the man and I'm a come at me. So don't be late. Don't be late. My flavor won't come out the other buffet, man, no cracker. But don't be late. Don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die. Eh? I done not to me. It's you who be jamia, my time for the me.
Obiarim, logins. Yo, Rose. You're a bad man, why I say? I buy like you also, we format to give the client. You say, well, like you know, first, I give you my login, say, like, you know, take my login, sir. Where you go, where see the format way, take it from Yama, I'll be like that. Consider the reply where they give me. Obi won't trace the money like I don't take right now. She say everything mess up right now. Ah, bro, what's up? So you be saying make a chop way to go chop some or what? And when am I no one answer? Huh? Chop make a chop some head away. He say, see. He don't like I don't, but I know they won't reply me. Can't see, I swear. Ah, Rose, you no try. How about that? Hey, you know the reply. I said it. I call this Odogu guy, make it give me different formats. Odogu Dani. Chama salute to agreed. I see, I get this client See. I don't make it give me some legit informative like that. They make us start do everything from top, from scratch. You understand? Make us call you. Hey, what are you?
I'm sorry. Sorry.
So can't you even knock the door before you enter or what?
Sorry. Boss, someone is at the door looking for you. He said he's called
I go share woman ya so Jimmy on. So Jimmy sisi on. I also demand a mood man say. Don't come from full year as well. Let him in.
Huh?
Let him in.
I thought he said let me.
He said the people the woman boy because don't touch you if you say Jimmy Kwenza man go come. He will come the money salary. Fear. No, see, the Jimmy because you don't put anything in this house. Rosepa. Huh? I give you power, I give you client say so and that. For the way you for use give her. You go change the format and everything. Why then the person you don't like they hate and read it my knee. Huh? Why who there? Yo, bad man.
Here he is.
Super. Sure. What number we are called?
I want to know his mission. That's why I was like,
Worship me. Not again. I'm not in a good mood. Seriously, I tell you the truth.
It's my duty to protect you.
I know it's your duty, but I see you're okay, so leave.
You know him.
I know him.
Okay. Then I think there's no problem. There's no problem anymore. Okay.
Me, you lose almost $3,000. Me, you're trying. What is that? You see, me would be out.
I'm sorry, boss. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Hi. Okay. See, Roseo, you want to own Roseo. Where I think job can give you. See the point. You see the online. About the man I give you what I talk to you, say, Chairman, this be the format, this be the way. So follow some, they need to chop some. See some stupidity we go do right now. Where format you are you know. I give you the login, say enter to someone. See what you go do. Some nyama be like that too.
Charlie, this thing, you know be our highway we used to do this thing.
Bro, I say imagine this will be imagine.
I've been telling you this. I've been telling you this. So you should follow me on. You should follow me. Alright?
But man, you know force or after you know force. What is it about also?
You know what? You make you drop this for now, alright?
I don't go look at any set that I will see if I will forget another format like that. And I can't call look. Are you okay? Should I call him to say you something? I beg. Odogu. Danny. Chama, the Serena American. Bro. My guy, he mess up. He mess everything up. This part where I take count small. I take count every while $10. Chama, you can't spoil everything. I beg what Chama, where you percentage. I will take. I say, you know, wait. They come senior man. And I'm saying the percentage wise, I will take 40, take 60. I'll be okay. You understand? Copy that, Roger. I copy. Be okay. 40, 60. Me take it 40. Whatever 60. Why, Mr. Mama legit? Why? All right. Big ups, bro. One. Agosia. I beg, can't see my friend. Juice in the or
Yes.
okay, bring some. How about visitor here?
Who's that? Who's that?
What I knew maybe we will get to.
Your new maid.
Yeah, my wife, you carry on.
So we get maid.
Okay, what?
Yeah.
What should I say?
No, you'll be okay. You just drop me. Yeah. Good. Try to prepare something, okay?
Okay.
Maybe you'll not be leaving soon. That's why this guy make me fucking spoil my day. Spoil my day, bro. You really spoil my day. You what's up? Why was who? I never know. Who?
The girl.
Which girl?
The girl who brought me the wine.
They mean they mean.
She's me.
No, come here. No, yeah. Wait.
I swear, the girl fine. I swear. I never see this girl in town before.
Who this? Who they talk?
Charlie, you know what? I've been. Charlie, make you close this thing, make you talk.
I see, here where they get money from. I beg, make you don't mess up with me. Here where they get money from. I beg.
Pause and make me talk. Pause
to talk about what? Huh?
What are you talking about?
See, if you take us, so I will suck you right now, bro. If it comes to money matters, I cannot joke with my money.
You go suck me?
Bro, you come with the money where. See, right now, if you go so like we go chill, they be the best chill. Money first, money be everything right now. Where they do money level to you today, where you worry.
For now, you know be money matter. Charlie, you know I've been telling you to get me a girl. I've been telling you this. Charlie, you man. Listen to me. What's the meaning of this? Huh?
Maybe sweet. I don't understand things you like right now. Wait till be a problem right now.
Good.
Maybe wait till be a problem.
Good.
Me say that.
Charlie, My problem is your maid. Eh, Charlie, I feel that girl.
You don't get sense. On time, tagboma la show, ekuma no, tagbon don't la show la. You say you don't get sense. You sense when they talk say sense, knowledge, you don't get some wisdom, you don't get.
Why?
Men where you go carry and we don't know anything. You odogu, you big boy like you like sometimes you feel raise money like this. You don't want somebody where like you go gang and bang for the street. Maid, come on, maid, my house help. Who are the for her then? Like you also.
That girl will be made.
Then what should be?
That girl be white material. Eh? That girl, I swear she be white material. Bro, I beg, make a visa. I beg. I like this girl. Eh? Give me this girl. Let me talk to this girl.
My guy, see, make I tell you something. Me, you come about the way it come mess up. You know, see my heart to look good. I will search you right now. Forget say we be friends for so long, we be my childhood friend or whatever. We will do the same game. But see, what you talking to me, they mail me for you, I swear. They mail me, you know, they like, I don't want, a bomb, I don't want to hear that thing. What's the can do?
What's her name?
No, what's the can do right now?
What is her name? What's it?
My guy.
Maid! Maid!
Hey,
Charlie.
behave, my guy, behave. Seriously, just aside behave.
What's it?
Nah.
Tell her I want to talk to this girl. I swear, I won't beat this girl, right?
You are not say like you be a drama like you. So like I don't understand. Like you go that time then left him or what? Like I don't understand.
This girl now, actually, I love him. I'll go marry him.
You see somebody for the first day, no, today, no. Somebody can say you know, you fall in the person.
Actually, it's affection, it's attraction. Like it has attracted me like magnet, bro.
Are you ready to leave or you're not ready to leave?
I want to live a beautiful life with her.
No, I'm not saying that. Open piano. Go. They know what you are talking about, man.
Come on for there, Mimiko. I have a few. Met me at that, Mimiko. Maid!
Alright, do your worst.
Can you please come?
Akosia.
Boss.
Please come. Hey.
Wait. Let me do your job. Hey. Charlie, I will give you new clients, eh? I will let Charlie that.
My guy.
What?
I think you are the perfect one. I've talked to your boss. He's okay.
Boss,
right.
I thank God in heaven inside there. I'm not interested. Boss, please, I need
Alright, okay. You're okay now. You see your face.
By your mean. Why, she fool. Huh? What is wrong with her? I don't know what anything. I say, in the casa, I say,
if you were you fool, you know, be in casa, we be nyama, you were you fool. You were my own, you be my paddy. You were me, then you the road. Where I talk to you, say, she be village girl, I didn't buy a chair. So now, remember, I tell you, if you like sweet meat, they like sweet meat, pass me out. Now, I do something. If you like sweet meat, I know be me. You know they like sweet meat, pass me. You know my spec. You know my type. Jai, na. Are you quite pay?
No.
Come out. Yo.
You like him?
No, sir, I like him. No, you come out. See, I know they're the good way now. You will show something or what? You go buy later. Come out. Come out.
You don't sack me from your house.
Yeah, no, you come out. You go buy.
No. Are you serious?
I'm very serious, my guy.
You don't sack me.
Come out, you go back later. I don't really good at like a best, sick of the client, you know, a best. The money we like right now, no, I miss now, a best. So come out, you go back later.
Don't touch me.
Come here, you! The cousin should be out with you like you. I can't take and go.
I heard you call my name.
Yeah, what, my guy?
You sack me from your house.
Oh, I'm not there, like I'm not there. I say make it take you.
My brother, as my boss said, you have to leave.
So when you get problem, you will call me.
I'll call you,
Problem what? At their house, as a professional security, you talking about problem. Are you mad? Come on, listen to me.
So when we get there, why do you go pay like this? What again?
He don't go.
What that?
I don't send him.
What?
I don't send him to his place. Boss, no be easy. That guy was here to hurt you. I tell you. I do am so copy of your hey, listen to this. My friend, go. And he was turning, trying to come back and overcome me. And I said, me in my own opposition, in my own place, you can never sack me. Come on, my friend, move. My friend, move, and he's still standing there. My boss, as I'm talking to you right now, the guy forehead is on the ground. The guy forehead is on the ground, boss. Excuse me, sorry. You don't like that. You don't. Thank you very much. And when I get to the main gate, boss, you need to see what's happening over there. I tell you. I knock his head. Then he fall down and roll. No, put and bellies. I tell you, boss. Well, put and bellies, man. I know him be grown. You don't know me, Papa Bia. Forget about this guy. There are some guys you don't need to allow them to go.
Are you okay?
Also,
are you okay?
What is happening to you?
Do you respect? Do you have respect?
Yes, of
Baby.
course, boss.
Hi.
Baby, what is it?
It's a woman that telling Tom, right?
But why?
What do you respect?
Baby, okay.
What is happening? What?
Yeah. What is happening?
You sip my drink
Hey, come here.
and not even that.
Baby, come
You hate me?
Sorry, it was an explanation.
Baby,
and
what is it?
a diagnosis is to so much.
Baby.
I was trying to explain everything to you perfectly.
What are you doing?
Somebody came here and he was about to beat my boss, and I stand.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Because you know Diablo, right? Me Diablo. So what in that? What my go extend? Say what me but that's count to so. Oh my kunjemu. What behind your post? Here's what the territory.
I'm sorry, boss.
Now that means we'll go for you. Who is your wife for back?
I'm not in a mood. I'm sick. I'm inclined to be sick.
Okay. Action.
Huh? Me Diablo, right?
No.
Now me Diablo. I just gave you simple assignment. Say somebody. What's my idea? What's our bet now? We come out to so. I said me drink like a whole boss. I'm the one like who pays you.
I'm sorry, boss.
89% I do some possible with tea. Like seriously?
There's nothing after sorry.
Where?
There's nothing.
Shut up! If I'm talking, you don't talk. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay, boss.
Listen to me very carefully. Read my lips. I mean it.
Okay.
Where? And then your first and last. I repeat. Into quote. I say what? And then your first and last. Don't ever try that shit again.
Boss, excuse me. Shit is a relative. When you say shit, I'm not shit here. Okay. Sorry, boss. Madam, please. Your husband, didn't he learn English language well? When you talk of shit, it's like something when someone is evaporated from the stomach to the ground or to the sink. But he says shit. Am I look like a toilet? Then why you use that word on me? I don't like that. Better talk to him.
Catherine!
Please, madam, I beg, go. He will beat you. He will beat
Catherine!
Baby, I'm coming. What is it?
What is it?
Oh, Debbie, if you are craft from me, like I'm sick and tired.
I'm sorry, madam.
I wish.
Calm down. Please, madam.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
Calm down.
When I bought them, I come I don't know. Me this come quad or pado. I was in your same fashion, Miss Namena, make a sign here, boom to say you. Papa says, I miss a below you, Tantania. Bring over me, be a woman, Tantandia. Atantadia. Papa says I'm a below you, Matantadia. Atantadia. Mansi, I mean, see, be a woman, Tantadia. Atantadia. Papa says I'm a below you, Matantadia. Atantadia. Sikami, Binti, you, Matantadia. Atantadia. Papa says I'm a below you, Matantadia. Atantadia. See if I'm a Sueni Atantadia. It is a Sami Sabele Mammy. Yahweh. But me money pam pam pine. You could be a Yamasi or Sister Libera, but you never one tan. But then a banner below could I one shadow. One man is 3 white tan. And where this stone in nature. One man I better buy a time to sell water. Men can't shave it in a I mean 3 hours. I first say, oh, baby, water. The cabin be massive and my gata. Was him I better buy a time, Savata. Now, Mrs. Sammy said, Mammy, the cocoa benami need to roll down me to Papa says I'm a below you, Matantadia. Atantadia. Bring over me, be a woman, Tantadia. Atantadia. Papa says I'm a below you, Matantadia. Atantadia. You see if I'm a sumina, so any Atantadia. It is a Sammy Sabella, Mammy. I say my bella bonnet, so one ezo. Into Bessie and Esso so. I'm a Sabella, yes, I come to me, Tom Michaela. Jim go. Babusi and many times I sent to me a medani to a L.O. It's in the fear by Fui Munjam and I'm a woman, but I say, M.Y. man. May a bear man, so when you see car, and you will you too. May a concerning to no one per masem. For Vincent, won't come as him. Oh, Jamamboni won't per masem. Now, maybe fear any bins in a won't come as him. Oh, the bomb mobile wife. Said, put a free Jim. What does a Sammy Sabelle, a bed nego? To the be a cemetery and think it. To me, Jane, I'm a dream phone cricket. Madame Fubisa, what didn't get to the babu I made in the code, what the better in Papa Sabelo, you Matantania. Atantania. Over me, be a Matantania. Atantania. See a bunny sicasama. Dabro, Jai, more than Papa, many than Papa. What time you are to a dream, not Papa, Chedian Papa, town for your Papa. Young Thomas, young Tonadu, on your Papa. Some it's a waffle send the woman to settle and here for many men now. You see again, I'm a dead boss who was a man welcome, I know Yanam, or take care of a young conam, and to call Pep could there be a single cotton and bigger. Papa says, I'm not your baby. I'll play Papa says, wait for me. I can see Bantam.
You look so superb.
Thank you. I can see. I can see Bantam.
Akosuya tumpodu.
Oh, Zeddy.
The room be nice, hey. Akosuya.
Yeah, they come.
The room be nice,
Food.
Wow. Relax.
My food is special.
Are you sure?
Today.
Guys. I'm waiting. You kept long.
Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I can see. Big fast, before my mother comes.
Your mother will come.
Fast. Hurry up.
It's so delicious.
I cook rough.
Yeah. I
can cook for the whole year. It's nice? It's It's nice.
Voila.
Oh, sorry.
Voila.
Let me do fast.
That's my girl.
Akwesi. Do fast.
No.
Daddy. But you want me to help you? Okay. Take some. Take some more. I will look at you. I will look at you. It's fast though. Alright. Fast. For madam come. I like that with you. But you are good.
Aye.
You're too good. Akwesi, my friend.
Aye. What's your to do?
My food is special.
You know how to cook.
I swear. Enjoy. Chew them too. I dare you. There is a bozige.
I always come here.
You let me check the one on the phone. Come on.
I will.
Eat fast. I don't want my boss coming to you.
Okay.
Go fast.
Don't worry. I will eat fast, okay?
Okay.
Darling, I'm home. Hello, sir. Hello. Big man.
Yes, sir.
Everything okay?
Yeah, everything all right. What about you?
I'm fine.
Where?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay.
But who like, what you show me?
I came to look a friend.
What?
I came to look for a friend.
You came to look for your friend?
Yeah. My girlfriend.
Is it what?
I said I came to look for my girlfriend.
Girlfriend as in like one L girlfriend.
Oh, no, boss, why? I'm angry and you are disturbing me.
But for the first place, like, look at what I say, who said you like, who's your girlfriend they're talking about?
I go shut to Bodo. My girlfriend, my bestie. Yeah.
I don't get you. I could see your girlfriend, like as in girlfriend. I want to show, like, I don't get it.
Boss, how do you understand girlfriend? Ben man no buy your coffee. I jam for.
Oh, just friendship, like just normal friendship.
Yeah, normal friendship, boss. Yeah.
Alright, okay. And I say.
Yeah. You are invited to boss.
I'm okay. Meanwhile, so I'm saying the whole dining hall. And I kind of say, hall. And I always have to say.
But let me go. Some.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, anything.
Boss, you know how you feel, and maybe you want to show up. Come
on. Akosia!
Boss!
Akosia, right?
Yeah. The food is so delicious. Thank you. I'm satisfied.
Hey, comport, please, comport, okay? When I'm talking, you don't utter a word. Akosia, how many times Akosia mean to? Akosia, how many times I know Kasasi in hall? Living room, we don't eat at the living room. Huh? Fine, when I'm not complaining. I'm okay with that. But at least I will say we they send them and they fata. That one, yeah. Huh? Look at the way he's even eating. I say we need it. For months. I was here. Me train you say me tell say me can some show was so how many times. Offering like easy.
If I want to tell them.
Because
when I saw the town and I saw him.
When you saw the town and you saw him. When you saw the town and you saw him.
Yeah, when I go to the town.
You meet me at the town. Yeah.
And then we are friends.
Mm-hmm.
You saw the quay. Why? You saw the quay.
But the boss meets you how one.
Country, why? I was blessed to be your first and last.
Yes, sir, boss.
Sometimes no, you piss me sometimes. Because when it's a living room, you need a living room. I hate it because my living room. I don't do this. How can someone say to living room? Huh? Hey, come on.
I'm the boss. Why?
Do respect.
Yeah, I do respect. But mama, who?
Hey. When I'm recording the casa.
We are part of something. I feel that. Mama, better push you up.
God have mercy.
I'm a man. About me, are they?
We push. I don't blame you. I don't even blame you. And you who never be out. Me blame you. But me cast mature. Sometimes for adults only. Listen to me very careful. Say you say who so adwene what so for fra enye fia say. Their whole plan is like their whole thinking no. Ebe ba so. Ebu aka so konkomo so enye adwuma. Me catch you. Sometimes for adults only me catch you tin ye. That best thing, that friendship thing now can make catch you. Who the oh yeah.
Boss. What you fear na your audio piabo.
Akosia.
Boss.
Come see him off.
Akosia.
Malenko. Let's know what I'm talking about standing there. Akosia where? Akosia me catch you. Me catch you dey bia. Enso ta poche na oje wo. Bibi ni am be not wife sometimes o yana me back you. Na me against back you say that this me catch you. E to so bi o ma hu me ye. You pack your things. Trust me. All right. When you baby I said living room now do obviously go baby. Now also we do what I say that. Nah, I'm okay. Come here. Alicia.
Yes, boss.
Come here.
Okay, please.
Come here. How has your day been in the house?
Oh, my day is very fine in the blood of Jesus. Hey, boss, I salute boss.
Come closer. Feel free, come closer.
Oh, boss.
You know something?
Close way, yeah.
I feel like, are you okay?
Yes, boss. He's okay.
Yeah, he's okay. You know something, I feel like hugging you. Yeah. I feel like, oh.
Was I okay?
Yeah, very okay.
Hey,
feel free, come here. Come to daddy, hug me.
Okay.
Feel free, hug me. Hug me. Good. Okay. I'm going to let me tell you something. Sometimes the definition of love, sometimes consists of caring, Do you know I really care about you?
Yes, I was.
But there is something I want to do right now.
Please, I've done something wrong.
You've done nothing wrong, my dear. Alicia, I really care about you. Trust me. There's something I want to say, but I'm feeling very difficult to say. Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes for me.
Close.
Just your eyes, or use your hands to close your eyes. Good. And bring your hands forward too. Not like that. Relax like this. You just relax. Good. Close your eyes. Are you sure? Close your eyes.
Closed. Bye.
Come on. You can now open your eyes.
Okay.
Because I really love you.
Hey?
Yeah.
Boss.
I really love you.
Oh, boss.
Yeah.
What's that come?
No, not this finger, rather. It's a promission, actually.
Then, boss, you are wrong. It's this one.
I'm really confused,
Oh.
Yeah. I really love you so much.
Thank you, boss.
Will you marry me?
Oh, boss, I'll marry you. Thank you, Jesus!
Hey! Mekaye, I have said it. This is a medal. And the baby and me and Ferry and Sloan, what me I propose. What me the Kawasha Colesa or many? Baby! Hey, stand up. Hey, intimation. Debut, and said, dear Pana, me nyama wa obo musami yo ba ware fo. Intimation one. Na want me nsuro nyame amfare ade se manim. And I will propose it to my maid. Hey! Really? Mikasa, do you think I'm joking with you?
What is it?
Do you think I'm joking?
You're not making any sense.
I'm not making any sense.
What's the name?
How would I make sense?
I was asleep.
Because you are in love with my maid. So
how dare you talk to me? I'm in love with my maid. Huh? What is that?
You just proposed to my maid in front of me.
You
just proposed to my maid in front of me. And you're here telling me what?
Just listen to yourself. And when did I even get that time to go and propose to me? Like, see, you're not making any sense here.
So I'm saying true.
No, so what are you saying?
I don't know what I'm saying, right?
Are you okay?
I'm not.
I'm
not.
Something.
Because I have spent all my youth's life with you. And this is not the time I will sit here and watch you and someone come and take you away from me. I will not. tolerate it.
Woman.
So go back there and take that ring off. Why you ring? Make us a you think? And now back on me, Papa. Me make us a order. I should listen to myself. What are you telling me? Huh? Oh, I'm talking. You are sleeping. Do you think I'm going to allow you to sleep? Do you think I will allow you to sleep?
Come on. Are you okay?
Oh, finish with me first. When you mean real, and some other wada. Hey, no. They say no. What does it mean? What are you telling me? Huh, baby? It is saying me your Obama. Tell me, just look at me and tell me, say, me enough mouth. What's your problem? What do you want? What did you want?
Please come closer.
Type of Obama now. Come
closer. Let me come closer. You're not drunk too. Like, are you okay? I don't get things clear here. I don't know them submit that, like, you know, like you are
accusing me. And you know, just me knew the American. Obama now send me Maid. Me Maid.
Really? Like seriously?
What me? Just go back there and remove that ring.
Babe, I have a night to come. Sit down. Please sit down. Katri. You said I will
tolerate everything, but not this one.
No, wait. I'm a little confused here. You said I was proposing why? Right?
Yeah.
Proposing to someone, like asking what? I don't get it. I made that. Like, you know, you also want to damage you. TV. And all of a sudden, so I was also here. So when did I went to propose to someone? Like, I don't get it.
If I would die. What's it?
Are you okay? Are you safe?
Oh, baby.
Come here. You are accusing me of something because I'm here. I was lying down here. So when did I even want you to propose to someone? Huh? Are you okay? Should I call the family doctor? You sure? Propose to the maid. Come here, come and sleep. Come. Go and sleep. Sleep. Okay.
On this. Hey. Just a minute, nothing my name and burn soda. Sunny say wunty. Sunny say wunty. Many bear may not so many years. Even no niche namanity. And then Yamia dome. In Nimbroso, dear, by your way, soon yet. I think I may be Jana Wanako. And then yes, a bear may be a cake, a bear mammy told me. I know they may eat him. Or some from the wandering. Some from the wandering, son, I knew my cage. Hey.
I was outside and I heard some people shouting. And I said, what is happening?
At where?
At the roadside. At the roadside. So I went to the roadside, madam.
The main roadside?
The main roadside. I went to the roadside, madam, please. I found someone hit with a car. And I said, oh, what is that? And who is that? I went there. Madam, can you imagine what I saw?
You saw what?
Can you imagine what I saw? Our neighbor's daughter. Our neighbor's daughter, Efia Santua. Yes, Efia Santua.
So where is she?
They can't knock.
Where is the girl? Where is she?
She down for the floor.
So what are you standing here for? Let's go and take her to hospital.
Close the door.
Let's go and take her to hospital. What are you saying?
Who?
What did you just tell me?
I will never watch that movie again, madam. The movie is too scary. When the car knocked the girl down, the girl stood up again and stand inside the road. And another car came, zoom, and passed through the girl. And I realized that it is a horror movie. I hate that kind of movie. I will never watch that movie again, madam. Relax. Put your hands down for God so light the way. I will never watch that movie again, madam.
So, it was a movie.
It was a movie. Oh, it scared me, Papa. I was outside alone and I said,
it was a movie that you were watching.
Right? Yeah. It's a Ghana horror film, and it's a very nice film.
Koshewu. Foundemu mika. Nfepi. Diesel and I petrol. Huh? Pierre. I mean, no more if you have said some. Yeah, right, Jimmy, that's so I show my coin. And yes, I can make them bow, miss. Nipa fa Jenny no.
Sorry, madam. If you wouldn't mind, you can join me with the part 2.
Koshewu. Madam. What that's you now? Let's go. Imbremu. Dia me kunu kofa ba ya no. Dia me ankasa m kofa ba ya so ano.
It's Accusations Entertainment.
Yeah. Me say bana ma feel. I do. Bana ma kumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wana kumya humache. Inti ya na from a chamber feel. Put it here. Just put it here. I just saw the bag do see a new chan. And so no saw the bag at Beffy.
It's too heavy. Madam, I was asking, is she coming to stay here for some years?
Koshewu.
Hello.
Thank you. You can leave. You can leave.
Okay, thank you very much. If anything, I am outside.
I'll give you a call, yeah.
Hey, I miss you.
I miss you too.
You lie. But yesterday you told me that you called me back. You didn't call me. Why?
Well, I know I'll be coming there today. That's why I didn't call you yesterday.
But your hair is cool.
Yeah.
Sis, where is your husband?
I think he may be inside. Inside the bedroom. Okay. You know the reason why you are here.
Yeah.
You know that you are here for a mission. And I want you to conclude that mission nicely for me. I don't want any mistake.
You don't trust me.
madam.
For sure.
I'll drink water.
For sure.
I told you that when I needed you, I would give you.
You will call me, sorry. But please, madam, what mission is that? What are you talking about?
Koshebu, come on, you too. Yes. Alan! Since who is this guy? Isn't that one? So, I believe you can do this for me. Okay, sure. I'll do it perfectly. I should put my trust now. Says. I don't want you. Okay, take your bag. Let me show you. Oh, sis. That day, come and take my bag for me. It's too heavy. Take it. Oshiagu, please can you come? Yeah, from the bag.
I should take the bag.
Yeah, mention it.
So now you haven't told me how many years she's here to spend.
Why? Koshiagu.
Hello.
Are you my husband?
No.
You are not my husband.
No, madam. But I am.
It's okay. And who can crack Kelly Bibia? For bargaining you.
Okay. Let me know about it now. You should see. Whatever mission you are here for, be wise and be smart, or else I got my eyes on you.
Koshiagu.
It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah. Me say Brana ma feel. I do. Oda baba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti yana brame chemba fe manu.
For what I dey pray to God that make no person on this earth come cross you. Like taking off your position. I don't know if she want to praise somebody or I don't know. But you just let us pray to God that it won't happen like that.
Lord have mercy.
Hey.
Hey!
Obede Pombede.
What are you guys doing over there?
Obede Pombede.
I'm just talking to you.
Huh? Madam called us to come in. Baby, calm down. Come, face it.
Madam called me.
What is it? And you didn't tell me anything.
Yeah, that's why I called you.
What to say?
My
head is paining me. What is it?
Baby.
You call.
Are you okay? Baby.
Yes, dear.
Are you okay?
I'm feeling some, some
You're feeling what?
My head is paining me.
Let me see. See, you're not flowing inside.
What is it? It just called like in the middle of.
Baby.
Okay.
I said all the time, no rush, so back as a break. Oh.
That's what from you.
So, yeah, you will young as I see. It's in two rice house, what's not how it has.
Let me see the at least when any kind discuss what bedroom before saying about because you say we don't be able to.
I surprise, ain't no man.
Alright, okay. So what is it?
Koshiagu. Koshiagu. Please call me our guest. Call me my junior sister.
Your guest?
Yeah.
Guest.
Or our guest? Sorry.
In this house?
Yeah. My sister is here.
Hi. As well as it.
It is coming because it called Mom, it is coming.
Good evening. Baby, you can have a seat. Thank you. Well, sweetheart, who did in here? So what's your silly? So, Mama, by so you are. So, baby, you don't even know that's what you need. One among shedding in the south. So, she's coming to stay with us here. For what? I'm talking to my husband, not you. Baby, it's the person of that's not. I said, oh, no, you load you fear, you see. Baby. 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 By the way, I know dear, I am in the Kuntamas. They see me. About you, only in the fear. The way I'm treating me, that treatment none of some of them. Because you're my junior sister. Respect her, me gain it from you guys. The same respect must go to her. I think I'm talking to a human being. Somebody in the panel, Casa. And no one just want me somebody in the panel, Casa.
Yes, madam.
Budicho.
Different Khadija.
Yeah, Khadija.
Khadija. Or Khadija with the giant. Chris, what did you bite and eat left? I didn't know kind of Jerry. Oh, yes, and
You are welcome.
maybe
Thank you.
yes, and
Akusia, Kushi.
or time shot. Problem.
Okay, my workers and Musi sit together. It's an intro down in my own. The friend that could be a move here. On the one I bet now. And that may say repeat. They say repeat. You guys should read my lip. Say treatment now with the mom and no one among fire there. I'm talking to you guys. Jeanette, I'm talking to you. Me say make her then.
What's the treatment?
Me say make her then. Make her then. Ah. Yeah. Are you talking to me? Yeah. Are you saying yeah to me?
Madam, you said we should give her
Respect.
And you said okay.
When I make a sign, we said okay. Just a one bread.
We okay, madam.
We said we just a
Madam,
one
are
bread.
you okay?
We okay.
Huh?
Madam, are you okay?
What's that? Martin?
No, I'm asking you, madam.
Oh!
It's like you are. You're not like this.
I'm sorry, Move here. Come on! Stop. Let's say, go.
Sis, it's raining out now.
Let me go and talk to my husband. I can see that he is not happy with my decision.
Okay.
No, don't follow me with this. I mean, your noise. It's late. I don't want that. Okay.
Maybe.
Like how come? Then Country, you know it's an ambulance. I don't get you. Like, is it like you don't respect me? What do you mean? I didn't hear and sound out the country. Like how? Two, I'm not really rich and my baby. Who taught you that? Or who does that? Do you respect me?
I respect you, baby.
Do you know like I'm the man of the house?
Yeah.
And I want to take a decision without my boom. Like seriously?
Baby, no granny said, oh friend, Miss Arno, that's I ain't impromptu. And then I'll be who they are.
Stop that crocodile tears. You are pissing me off. You're getting me angry. That be too bad. So I can call me on phone from me. Say, honey, this is a situation. We're from impromptu, so you know myself to come. I have nothing to say. Maybe be a maker. What's in your job? I notice after from as after this filthy. I mean like this get man and this make say I don't want to because Sasa was surprising me. Are you serious? Do you mean it? Hey, don't come closer, woman. I didn't say I like I don't want to shout. I don't want to shout.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your own self.
It will never happen again.
Just like my mom, now funny inch, so whatever. You see, like you don't pet, you don't respect again. You don't respect, right? Me na me bedroom na me heavy I say no. What you do be about? I catch him say or never be snap like seriously not even a visit. Hey.
Maybe that's what I'm saying. I'm sorry.
See, listen to me carefully. So you see, what you take decision on your own.
No.
Listen. Me say no, you say no. Wolf horns like no. You've gotten horns. Right now, like no. You can provide. You can be doing the duties like no. Now that I'm doing right. So listen to me. So what we decided? Say fine. Obimbra must was said yeah. You're providing everything here.
Baby.
Hey. Listen, about baby. Don't baby. Don't baby. Don't.
Oh, she's my sister.
From now onwards, you are providing the breakfast, the supper, the lunch, or whatever. Baby.
Why am I going to get that kind of money?
So meaning you don't respect, you don't pursue, I'm punishing you. Come on, give me you.
Maybe no. Maybe I said I'm sorry lah. Sorry. Dear Nano. Sorry for that. And then your face and loss. When you come, call bedroom. You person you who say, who better help you. Now the other no put to review. Now we'll bounce to the how. Sorry for that. I'm very proud to feel. What was that? Pardon? The Anna way and Winnie Monday for day. Kushiabu. Hey! Let us make one and the other renew.
Oh, madam.
Kushiabu.
Why are you saying that, madam?
It's not dear Nana. The way and I sit anything.
Please, madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's like it won't happen again. I was just lying down to stretch my leg for a different time.
You have been doing the same thing to this girl, Akosia or whatever.
Don't push. I'm sorry.
Hey, your habit, Anna.
It won't happen again.
Hey, no me, yeah, curse me, I curse you. And I'm in living room, cried the right to bed now was all better.
I was about to tell you something.
To tell who?
Yeah, I was about to tell you something, but when I get inside, I saw this.
If you're not strong,
I saw this thing.
you're not heard of none of them.
Madam, yes, I'm going to work. Would you mean 9% with
it's a dear partner, how? Huh? Just all the Subayan say, and Crawford wants to share, and I all habits, and yes, sir. My friends, stand up and walk out.
I'm so exhausted, baby.
Jimmy Samben. One has I make a crazy watching. Stupid man.
Catch him up again this time. Huh? Again. As I'm going to have to was Obaya Uni. What's never been a walker? I catch you several times. Asamba to Boase, okay? Any side no. O pressure I see, I mean, I'm a book and I'm no course spotter. What is it, huh? I didn't want to tell me about me free church riba, me like what is it? What didn't want why?
Baby. Me need the has Accusations. When you say me ada Khadija da has no washa.
Ozo?
Khadija da kunye mu pa. Me nim so hwe TV no fa mu dan sedan. Me si ma hye dem a me betena ha twen. Me baaya. Koshiegu was sitting here.
And the former say show me like how? You see? Mommy.
Love you baby ow. Get you so deja no ho. Me nim suba krokra o sua na sa. Me se me kro nya me oba wo me. Obedi me Deuteronomy. I didn't suba fin no.
So on say sometimes I make kasa me this I make kasa. Sometimes I make kasa me this I make kasa. Bear man me what take it sometimes one can't share me. After the by one so they 2 men one so can't share me. So right now no some protect me about me no okuna wakwan na bibia. Deep now been say buso for beka. No, you just answer me.
Not at fault.
So at least enka what dey bana come here where what dey bana come here where enka me ma amesma dey go hwe there akasa ni ene how much atem one go fear say but I know nothing about it.
It's one pattern show.
Menka after menka be right. Menka be right. If fear say them who say fear say the word discipline and the secularity was say. But this time around like it seems like I say who you are trying to like obey the man of the house. You're taking decision by your own self. After somebody there, I feel so catch me. As I go show guy, I feel say wait second time my start this complaint about him. The other time, I fix Yakusia, right? Right, mommy, and I make a show. And let me tell you, high living room. We are buying no, me both for the but your man under baby keke, your man guest room, so on down. So to niku mu mommy, your man be that save you. Period. I know what to do. Now, Sako Shebune dear. Sako Shebuga dear. Okay. What did you prepare? What I could say dinner here.
Jollof.
Missy minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchemba fe manu wape. Odo bana mafiwa. Odo wachu.
Excuse me, I'm coming.
Sorry.
small madam. Yeah, how are you?
Why? I'm not fine.
Hey. Small madam.
Excuse me. You cry, why?
So, this place is not dry. So you can't see it.
Even I didn't clean the floor, good cry. See, you this girl, pa. Okay, let me call my sister. Please clean the floor well. You see, it's too dirty. Clean the floor well. Why? It's too dirty, please. Please, can you leave? Can you leave?
Madam, I beg, I dey clean. Make her finish, I go go. I beg you.
Mama, we come now. The room is here. The mayor will have no. Now, paper for my own paper here. Not just say, free as a co. Mr. Free as a father. Quite wanted. And I was so necessary. Me and Madame Meow, see a mechanical. What I say? Me and Madame Meow. We mistake. Remember, Mrs. Tapamu of Fia. What say? Mr. Catchem son the door. We remember Mrs. Tapamu of Fia. What say? Free as a co. I will say me move to crab, Misha Madia. I don't more barbecue coming line. Quality!
Small madam.
Ade! Now get you where you're not. Oh, you're normal, dear. Are you okay? Please leave. Excuse me. She said me Baba yard, the baby now the more will crab and coming night.
I don't understand something. See this small girl. Hey, God. If it's somebody in job where I do that, right? Like the way I was sound down, man. Hey.
Sound how? You for sound who?
Come.
What is happening that you are here standing talking to yourself? What is
So,
happening?
Madam, she know the respect.
Which one?
She know the respect person.
That mumu girl.
Me, I wake up to do my housework, my house chores, where I do mop the floor. This girl comes step for the floor top. Spoil her, sound mob again.
And you leave her like that?
She goes.
Why you don't smash her face and
She goes sit down. Where I talk, says, one madam, I beg. Raise your leg, wake up. If I don't know where I take the mop touch in skin. What should we make her come out?
Make her show her legs. Make her show.
Leave them. All this thing.
I should leave her.
I'm sure said.
I every day I talk. Every day I talk.
The house say she dey come worry me.
Like I open your eyes for the first time.
Like it be me first then times.
At your village.
For my village there.
The village champion.
Yeah.
The village champion.
Yeah. Like me now.
Relax.
Maybe she go here. Maybe go back door.
Relax.
Hey, the thing pay me.
One day, we go smash him. We go smash him. Just relax and put your hands together. I know you now, my sister. I know you. I know what you can do.
If she fool one day, me there. You are they go inside. I don't go inside.
You dey go inside. But I beg you, make you not fight for now. Relax for your fight.
I no go fight.
If anything, call me. I will come help you. Huh? Make you no worry.
Make you not try me, oh.
Yeah. I heard the madam saying mission. So now this be the mission. We have to get a wide eye open. Because this small madam won't create problem. Won't create wahala for us, for this house. We will leave the job and go.
I reached there already. See, make me then the guy talk for the other guy. I got make a sample. Make a sample. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm sorry I forgot your name. Anyway.
Khadija.
Khadija. What is going on here?
What?
I didn't know.
Oh, say me clearly.
Now it's not a duty in this house.
Hey, I was I'm sorry yo.
So what?
I'm sorry, makobo ni punu ni mo santi. Eja me so me lazy. Nti say me sorry no pa me pra. Even come and make you breakfast. I'm my name is sister.
Like seriously?
Oh yeah. Makobo ni punu.
Associate me at that. And by this time, I'm sorry.
Makobo ni punu mo san. Sorry. Also me so me lazy. Oh, my sister so chair me a chair. I'm my so say I'm titi me. Timi ndasa. And I'm sorry, say me.
You mean it? By this time? Almost getting to 10. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, I mean, I don't know what to do.
Me come now, point.
Really, I issue you come see. I know what to do. I could say to me at the by this time, I'm sorry. So my body, you're already are fine. My back no so you're already, that one is different. But the back no so you're already are. I don't know what to do. To them they call. Why? Alright. Have a nice day.
Okay. Wakusi. Sure, you answer with you. Some know that here. Oh, Baba, share. And then, I mean, okay. Akosia! Small madam. You okay? No. Small madam is fine. Come and take it. You do more. Better call see you do more. Better call. Hey, how do you understand something? But for command, you craving and better. Nice girl, seminar. Maybe for more, but more. Hey, nice girl to send me. Check, when you mama more when they come here, Akosia, who me your fear how? But Gina, my dear, because I be here now. My son said more. For people. You never paid your name, mommy. I come on. Now me put a more. Nice girl to send me. Show me how friend. She eating your crib with me too, so she. Now me more.
It's Accusations Entertainment.
Yeah. Me say bana ma feel. I do. Oda beba na makumate. Me see me nya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya na bramen chembe fema.
Social media ne de onya course pressure. We 15,000 we give you. Now we drew 18 inches. 15,000. So yeah, but I know I'm my near Juma Mountain. Before you sue a Japanese sir because of fashion. See it. But it's nice though. It's beautiful. Khadija. Khadija.
Sister.
Please, can you come?
Okay.
Sis, good morning. Okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, Khadija,
Sis.
I wanted to know about the job I will give to you. I want to see how it is going. I know you are the one in the house most. Now we need your coffee as in intent in the field. So we do any two form. Oh, I know so what would be definitely what would be because give me kununi girl na until I see me. You know, briefing me like tell me something.
Oh, okay. Say, sis, Missy Jabby, your mommy, lady. You mama see me the bedding with your ham. Just leave everything to me. Don't worry, eh? Oh, dada, da papa, dana jojo, what's I say, lady? See me in if you are say, oh, you bet chin young. You be young to see the young comes.
Since I'm feeling me name so bit me a young mammy. It's not me now what I did. Say a 2 car by crew me foul. It's a anonym. I know so you man bit me I. But see I'm me person who say be like see be I also actually say like suspect ya boom bisa. You come home premier penitent person who dear also.
Oh, says, Sissy, the minion who be BIA by Menino, with the show. Tell them so what that jabby be a mammy. Why, me show, pan, show. What I say, my lady no, lady no. You may be a debating. Now, what's that? Why, did you be a mammy? Lady no.
It does.
Says, Dada.
Yes, I'm sure we
says, no, don't quite.
And they didn't make baby.
I'm 2 months nephew. Okay. Oh, like person me shall do inside. Martin. Says me so dada. What's it? Damage you why?
That's very brave.
Accusations.
She animita. Accusations. She animita. Hey! The way I mean you bounce to a house or no cry, madam, madam, and day. Accusations.
Into yana Brahman chamber fema no ape other bana mafia odacho sebo de manana makoma tamia yese bana mafia eh wacho sebo de manana makoma tamia so don't be late my feel come other fema no kaka but don't be late I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die.
Hey, are they all Muslim banner? Ah,
But madam, small madam, why is you know the sea say at the street?
so oh, some me, but me, ya do the prayer proper now. Are they?
Hey, small madam,
There you.
make I ask you something. Who be you?
Hey,
Huh?
the
Who be you?
Who is this? Who is this person talking to me? Madam younger sister. Hey! Sisi awani na tra wani ntong. Na dress in credit shake. Shatadi esho. It's my sister. What's I there? Wabakata. Nechebe. Baby. Hey. Are you against her? And now cause if you are against the whole man.
Hey, small madam. If like say, hey,
Oh God. I dey respect my boss then, madam. I think myself, I will carry you put this paper top. I will lash you.